So I will leave all the Singapore vlogs behind. And now we are off to Kuala Lumpur. Umuulan and I'm walking alone with my luggage and bag. This is the struggle of a solo traveler. But if a vegetarian traveler lang talaga. Gusto ko lang mag-grab guys, but I checked, it's like $9 to $10. Diba? Like, alam ko na magbayad ng 400 pesos. Nahanap ko sa Grab na sobrang lapit. Like, as in 5 minutes away. I am struggling, pero talaga ipupush kong mag-vlog. So anyways, this is me right now. Walang yan. Dahil nga sa likod ko, nagbuhat din yung maleta. Yun. Hindi naman siya super bigat kasi guys. So that's one tip din if you're traveling. You have to pack light. This is the second challenge. Hagdan pababa. Let's go. Okay, so I'm just waiting for the magjowa at the likod. Kasi naglalakad sila sa bridge, diba? So I approached them. Sabi ko, are you also waiting for the bus? And then they said, yes. We are on the same bus at 11:30. So, ito na kaya? I don't know. Ano yung situation guys? Ito sa Golden Mile Tower. Apparently, there are so many passengers waiting for the bus. Anyways, it's booked naman. So that's I know, generally, wala naman ko na. So, maghintay na lang tayo 30 minutes. Buti hindi ako kumuha kanina sa vending machine. May mga food dito. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano ang kukunin ko. Star Mart Express. Ayan. So, baka sa kanila din to guys. AirAsia Liner pala sila. OMG guys. It was on Filipino time. The bus is here. Naghihintay lang ako mag-load yung iba para hindi masyadong madagdagan yung aking aesthetic na luggage. Pero parang konti lang naman ata kaming may luggage. So, i-vlog natin para mating situation before. So, diyan kayo pick up and let's go! Yung pinili ko. I'm sorry. This is far. And guys, take you with the bus. Medyo siya style. Living Singapore. Buti pala bumili na ako dun sa Singapore. Okay lang pala kasi walang money exchange dito. Ayan siya dapat Ayan. And then yung mga nakikita ko sa vlogs. Pero wali. So in short, balik na tayo sa bus. Ayan, kantahan ko kayo doon. Ayan guys, sobrang mabait ng mga immigration officers dito. Pero kailangan mabilisan ang dalaw. Yun lang, the only thing is, as in, iwan mo din lang, may clearance, something like that. Pero parang mas minor yung dinadaan compared sa Philippines. In the Philippines, di ba? Immigration officer, diba, hinihingi mga etos, ganyan. Dito talaga guys, wala. Parang tinignan lang yung face, gano'n. Tapos sabi pa ng immigration officer sa akin, okay na, salamat. Sabi niya, sis, pero hindi ko alam kung Pinoy siya or half Malaysian, half Pinoy, I don't know. But super bilis, as in, at ako pa yung unang sumakay dito sa bus. So, ayun na, I'll see you at waiting for my grab, guys. Ito na ako sa Berjaya Times Square. Ang fear ko now is wala akong card. Oh my God, Malaysian ringgit for my deposit. Anyway, just waiting for my grab and then update ko kayo kung nasa hotel na ako. So, ito pala yung entrance. Ayan, the Bed Capsule Hotel 5. Ayun, medyo nahirapan lang akong hanapin guys kasi sa gilid pala siya sa basement. So, pag nga ba ako nagpapaba sa main entrance, malamang close yun, diba? Just a quick room tour. Ayan, this is what the beds look like. There you go. Ayan siya, A4. And then, mine, it's here. And the lights. Ayan siya. Saya, diba? Guys, tignan yung CR. Tour ko kayo. Tapos na ako maghilamos actually. Tignan nyo, meron magplansya ng hair, blower, suklay, lotion, cotton buds, cotton pads. So, I don't know what is this. Changing area siguro. Merong sauna. And then here are the toilet. Madami din siya. Meron ulit sink dito. May hand washing soap. Ayan. Ano siya guys? dito na ako nag-talk ng talk. Pero sobrang ganda ng room. Pinakita ko naman sa inyo kanina. I will be back later. Kasi matutulog muna ako. Gising din tayo sa 7. Kasi I realized I will schedule na naman yung finance. Tulog ako ng bongga. Guess what? It's now 9 a.m. Mukhang natulugan ko yung alarm ko. But that's okay. Habulin natin yung breakfast because 7 to 10 siya. So, let's check kung anong mayroon. Sobrang daming burger. Yan siya guys. Rice lang pala siya na may egg and then peanuts pala and then dried fish sa loob. Anyway, let's eat. Sardinas yung lasa. Alam niyo, sobrang na-enjoy ko siya. Yung rice meal, masarap siya kaso gumuguhit talaga yung anghang, guys. But anyway, that's it. I'm just going to prepare and get ready. Tapos, mag-start na tayo sa city tour natin kasi nag-book ako nung Kuala Lumpur hop of bus tour. Kasi I figured na pagod siguro yung pa ako sa Singapore. And nilista ko na yung mga gusto kong daanan doon. And then yun lang yung mga destinations or stations na mag-hop off tayo. So yun lang guys, I'll see you later pag medyo fresh na ang first one. At least, the good thing is we are well rested. Feeling ko naman nakapagpahinga talaga ako ng bonggang-bongga. So ayun, di bali mahaba pa rin naman ang araw natin. Yun, we will end the night at Jalan Alor Night Market. So, ayun lang. See you again later. Labas na tayo. I realized maglakad na lang tayo guys kasi kailangan kong maghanap ng money exchange. Wala pa pala tayong Malaysian ringgit. So that's our first order of the day. Let's go. Tignan nyo. Look how weird it is. Diyan tayo exit. And boom. Mall. Literally mall. Okay, wow. Uniqlo. Hello. As in literally paglabas mo ng hotel, mall na siya. Because actually, it's located inside the mall. So this is Fahrenheit 88. There you go. Ayun yung Bath and Body Works. I think I saw this yesterday. So, dyan tayo pumunta kasi yan yung palabas. Wow, it's so crowded out here. This is the outside. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's ask the guard. Sir, do you know where to money exchange? Sorry?
Pavilion.
Pavilion. Inside the mall? Just beside it.
Pavilion, inside hotel.
Okay, this is nearer. Alright, thank you. Guys, sorry sa mga bako-bakong English kasi simple words the better. Mas maintindihan nila. Yun yung na-realize ko sa Singapore. And you know what? Chika ko sa inyo. Mas chill ako dito sa KL compared sa Singapore. Kasi ang itinerary ko talaga dito guys is mag-tour lang, hop on, hop off na bus tour and then that's it. Laid back lang. Hindi tayo para sa Singapore na naghahabol, nakakaloka. Kasi ang dami kong gustong makita talaga doon. And also, everything is expensive there. So, dapat sulitin mo talaga. So, ngayon tatawid na ako, guys. Sumusunod na ako sa mga tao. Oh my gosh. There are so many people. It's not as strict yung ano dito, yung mga crossing and everything. Guys, grabe oh. Congested ng mga tao. Sobrang daming tao. Okay, guys. Stop daw. Wait daw. Grabe. It's very, very, very chaotic. Imagine mo guys, ang tagal maghintay ng stoplight pero you just have 15 seconds to cross the street. Anyway, nasaan ang money exchange? Hello, sir. Sir, can I ask where is the money exchange?
Money exchange level 1.
Sorry?
Level 1.
Of the...
Go to level 1.
Okay.
The end of there.
Here. Can I go down here?
Yes.
Okay.
Later, one level down. That's straight all the way over there in the end of the level 1.
Alright, thank you. Oh, bongga. We go down here. Magaling si Kuya mag-English. Bongga siya. Alright, and then straight turn right. And meron ding Food Republic dito. I think Singapore and Malaysia, fairly, they are the same. Kasi nga, sobrang lapit nila sa isa't isa. Pero, ang napansin kong difference is yung mga tao. Dito sa Malaysia, medyo bad girls sila, bad boys. Kasi imagine, Doon pa lang kayo sa pedestrian. Pero ayoko na mag-assume. Feeling ko naman ano yung mga yon, mga turista, ganyan. Feeling ko ito na siya. May na nakikita kong word na exchange. There you go, guys. Currency exchange, Singaporean dollars and Philippine peso. What? Sorry? I give everything and the peso? Okay. 5,000. Sorry, passport. Ayan guys, medyo mahirap lang maintindihan. Kasi ang kapal ng glass. Change tayo ng peso, currency exchange instead of withdraw. Kasi nag-withdraw tayo sa Singapore. Ngayon naman, mas madaling money exchange na lang. Kasi tinignan ko yung lagmang ko, parang 150 pesos din yung charge. So umabot din ng 300-400 pesos yung lugi ko. So ayan siya. Ito yung rates ngayon guys. Ayan. As of February 11. Since mas mura sa Malaysia, dito na lang tayo bibili ng mga pasalubong. Kasi nga very cautious ako guys doon sa aking baggage. For 5,000 pesos and 70 Singaporean dollars, I got 600 Malaysian ringgit. So ang next agenda natin ay hanapin natin yung Bukit Bintang na Kuala Lumpur hop-on, hop-off main kiosk. So I'll see you there na lang guys. Charge muna ako ng phone. Bye-bye! Guys, pumasok ako dito sa may Charles & Keith and it's really nice. I got the bag. Hindi ko na maalala kung napakita ko sa inyo pero kinuha ko siya kasi ang ganda niya and walang tax dito guys. Alam mo yung value ng bag na yon? It's just the equivalent of the small bag I got sa Philippines. So, let's get it. Okay. Sorry, can I leave my bag here?
Later you can.
I'll pick it up. So, before tayo punta sa kiosk, guys, daan muna tayo sa 7-Eleven. Kasi nakalimutan ko mag-refill ng water, nakakaloka. Okay, super mura dito, parang Pilipinas na lang din. So, the water is 1.80. Actually, 2. Mura na siya. Say hi! Nakapayong talaga ako kasi alam niyo, ayoko mahagard, mga B. Kasi di ba mag-hop on, hop off bus tour tayo. So, ayoko mahagard. Wala nang araw. Tanggalin yung payong. Okay, so ang daming interesting na shops. Kunafa fingers. I want to try. Grabe no, ang dami kong detour. My goodness. Hello, can I get kunafa cheese?
Kunafa cheese, 10 minutes, okay?
Okay. Guys, di pa ako magaling sa pera nila. 50. Okay, let's try the kunafa cheese. Looks like this. Paano siya kakainin? Syrup ba to? Syrup ba to, guys? Oh, okay. Ito ate ibubuhos dito. I'm not sure, tama ba? Feeling ko na masarap because it's cheese. Wow. Okay. Interesting. It's sweet and then salty yung cheese. Sarap siya. It's like pastry. Hindi ko lang alam guys kung ano yung brown. I have to search on that. To be honest, sobrang focus ko na sa Singapore. Hindi ko masyadong napagtuunan ng pansin ang Malaysia to research. Basta alam ko lang na mag-hop on, hop off bus tour ako dito kasi I think mas worth it siya dito. Kasi sobrang daming tourist attractions and nakikita lang siya sa daan. Unlike sa Singapore, talagang papasukin mo pa. So after at Kunafa, pupunta na talaga tayo sa kiosk ticket. And I am saying it now. Sobrang lapit lang pala. By the way, nilista ko yung mga mababaan natin. Pero I don't think lahat yun mapupuntahan natin. Pero we will try. By the way, this is Sungei-Wang Plaza. So yan talaga yung nakalagay na na pick-up point or parang redemption charva. Ganon. Diba, it's just today na mag-redeem tayo kaya pupunta tayo dito. But tomorrow, I think, within 24 hours kasi yung ticket, pwede na tayong sumakay mismo sa Bukit Bintang. So, ito na siya guys. There you go. So, as you can see, sobrang daming tao. By the way, the last bus is 4 p.m. As in daw, isang round na lang. And meron kasi dalawang route yan. It's City and Garden route. This is city route. I didn't line up for that kasi guys, yung pupuntahan ko mainly is more on garden route. Gusto ko talaga puntahan yung Merdeka Square and then yung River of Life. What else? Yung mga laid back lang. KL City Gallery. And I thought garden route is yung pinaka-wisest na puntahan kasi pwede mo na siyang lakarin, magkakatabi na lang sila. Tanggapin na natin guys sa 2 days or 1.5 days natin dito sa Malaysia. Hindi mo naman talaga mapupuntahan lahat. Basta bukas, push natin si Batu Caves and Genting Highlands. Kasi yun yung pinaka-main itinerary natin. And then kung kaya pa mag-Chinatown Petaling Street, sige, push natin. But now, let's enjoy the rest of the day. I will tour you to Kuala Lumpur. Okay lang ako, guys. Yes. Hindi naman mahangin. Hindi naman haggard. Rock and roll. Me and my remote control against the world.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're now heading to stop number 18, Little India.
Alright, so again guys, we are done here at Merdeka Square. Ayan siya. And then, I forgot the name, pero ilalagay ko na lang. Okay, so now we are headed to the Kuala Lumpur City Center Gallery. Ito lang pala siya guys sa tapat. Magkakalapit lang siya, mabilis lang pala. So, this is the KL City Gallery. I'll show you. Ayan, that's the KL City Gallery. And then, this is the Old Cathedral Chartered Bank building, something like that. Now, let's head to the KLCC Gallery. So guys, this is the famous I Love KL. So, syempre magte-take tayo ng photo dyan. Mag-set up muna tayo ng tripod. And then, dara-diretso na tayo mag-take ng photo. Alright guys, we are done with the KLCC Gallery. Sorry. Okay, and now we are heading to the River of Life. So, chinek ko muna siya sa Google Maps. And it's just straight ahead. Dadaan tayo dito sa National Textiles Museum. And then, turn left. So, merong photo point doon. I think ongoing construction National Textile Museum. Pero nasabi kanina doon sa hop-on hop-off bus na you can go inside daw. Kaso mukhang di na kayo ng time guys. So we'll just visit yung mga labas ng places. At least we're able to check and see yung mga lugar. At magkakatabi lang talaga sila guys. So na-happy ako. Very good decision na bumaba tayo dito sa Merdeka Square. So ayan guys, that is the National Textile Museum. And then we are headed to this way. According guys sa Google Maps, we have to turn left doon sa Jalan something kasama Perkatuan. Hindi ko na siya ma-pronounce B. Basta na-research ko siya kanina. So ayun. I think nandito na tayo pero sobrang init niya mga B. Is it good? Can you check first?
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Can I include you in the vlog? What's your name?
My name is Lin Jing.
Lingchi. I'm Shanna.
Shanna.
Shanna from the Philippines. Hello. Where are you headed? I'm going to Chinatown.
I'm come from Quanzhou. Do you know?
Oh my God, where is that? I'm just relying on Google Maps.
Do you have? But I use this.
I'll see you around then, hopefully. Okay, enjoy your trip.
See you.
See you, bye-bye. Cute guys. So, she's from China. Ang cute-cute niya. Sinama niya ako mag-take ng photo. Wait lang, I'll give you another glimpse of the River of Life. Yan siya guys, River of Life. So, I'm now heading to Petaling Street. So, yun yung dinaanan natin kanina guys. So, para lang siyang Chinatown Street Market. May mga pasalubong din doon, so check na rin natin. Super init doon sa River of Life. Medyo naloka ako ng very light. But anyways, it's just straight ahead. Tama pa ba itong dinadaanan ko? Bakit parang puro mga kemerot na yung nandito? Bahala na mga B. So, I'll see you there sa Petaling na lang guys. For safety, you know. Petaling Street. Sorry, levels. Ganun. Look, may mga maleta dito, oh. 159 RM. And this one, 179 RM. Oh, parang Rimowa, oh. Parang yung akin. How much are you? Guys, ayan o, chestnut. So, 300 grams is 10 RM. I haven't tried chestnut, so bumili ako. Thank you!
Nice meeting you.
Thank you.
You're Japanese guys. Bye-bye.
So, ito din yung dulo. Bumalik na ako, guys. Hindi na ako video kasi medyo delikado. I just got chestnut and the next order is let's get drink kasi nauuhaw na ang first one. So, this is the outside. Ayan, guys. So, I got passion mango fruit tea. Wow, it's so fresh. Guys, ito siya. Tabi lang siya ng Petaling Street. Wow, first time ko makita ng pomegranate. Ito pala siya, guys. Oh my gosh. Wow. Is that it? 12 ringgit. Thank you, sir. Guys, sobrang sarap. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so good. Wow. Wow. Let's walk to the MRT. Okay, let's go. Nakastop actually yung street light pero wala naman sasakyan kaya let's go. Saan go? Two. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Oh my god. Thank you. Sir, thank you. Sir, thank you. Guys, grabe. Nila. It's almost 9 p.m. in the evening. Now I'm getting ready to go out. Ang itinerary ko lang is go to Petronas Tower, photo point, and then diretso na ako sa Jalan Alor. Pero dadaan muna ako dun sa may Damascus, yung sikat na shawarma. By the way, nagbook ako ng AirAsia app, guys, kasi maglalakad sana ako, guys, kung maaga pa. Kaso very late na. Nasa 11-12 ringgit lang siya, guys. Parang nasa 150 pesos. Mura na yun compared sa Singapore, guys. And also, pagdating din natin doon, hindi tayo haggard. Picture agad, tapos alis na. Ayun lang, I'm done. See you at Petronas Twin Towers. Alright, guys, change of plans. We'll just walk to Petronas Twin Towers. Kasi, guys, walang ma-book na AirAsia o kaya Grab na app. So, no choice but to just walk. Yun lang, guys. Nagsariling desisyon na ako mag-detour kasi parang delikado naman dito sa side na to. So, we're back on the highway. Parang EDSA lang siya. Alright, thank you. Wait. Okay. Sobrang bait ng traffic enforcer, guys. As in, paikot-ikot twice ako pabalik-balik ng tawid. Tapos, siya parang, okay, wait, I'll help you. Sabi niya, ganon. Ayan mga B, na escalator. Ito naman ata yung bridge na sinasabi nila. So, let us see. So, meron akong dinadaang bridge, guys. Ito kaya yun. Feeling ko ito yun. We're on the right way. Menara Kembar Travel KLCC. Let's go. So, this is the bridge. And shortcut ata to. Pababa daw. Tamang tanong-tanong lang sa mga guard. Yan siya, Petronas Twin Towers. Okay. Kumusta? Oh, dito na palang Aquaria KLCC. Tignan nyo, it's so pretty here. I just wanna show you. Ang ganda nitong daan na to. Para siyang tunnel, but it is so bright and aesthetic. And clean. Look, oh. So nice, diba? Ang cutie. Pero ano siyang sariling, dito, exhibit. Bongga sa tunnel lang to. Totoo ba? Para siyang merong sariling advertisement. Ah, bongga naman. Mag-skincare na ang first one. Oh, ano ito? Oh, Foundation da. Ay, bongga. Guys, alam nyo, bagong lahat, Sephora muna tayo kasi wala to sa Pilipinas, B. First time ko makapasok sa Sephora. So, let's check. Oh my gosh. Window shop with me. Wow, there's Fenty Beauty. Rihanna, what's poppin'? Oh, The Ordinary. Ito guys, yung ginagamit ko. Oh. This is Kat Von D. Oh my gosh, Rare Beauty. Oh my gosh, Tarte, guys. Wow. Oh, so this is how it feels pala. OMG. Huda Beauty. Oh my gosh, NARS. Hot concealer. Try nga natin yun. Guys, I've always wanted to try Super Dupin Drunk Elephant. I didn't know. Sobrang mamahal pala, girl. 330 Malaysian ringgit. Never mind, sis. Tara na. Mahal pala itong mga ito. Okay, umalis na tayo. Tama na to, guys. Okay na ako sa window shopping. That's it. Let's go to Petronas Twin Towers. Yun na, guys. I think this is it. Kasi palabas na lahat ng tao dito. And this is the exit of Surya KLCC. Sabi ko lang, is good luck. Kasi parang sobrang daming tao. Nakikita ko na agad. Alam niyo yung approaching ka pa lang sa door, pero panay ulo na yung nakikita mo. Ito siya ngayon. My gosh. Okay, are you ready for this? I will show you in 3, 2, 1. Oh, back, Bugsh. Bugsh, B. Go, guys. Sige. Petronas pa. And guys, ito na pala yun. Ang ganda. So, ganito ha. What we have to do now is hanapin yung sinasabi nilang life hack sa TikTok. Sa likod yun yung parang may mga glass na chorba eh. Hindi ko pa tinitignan yung Petronas Twin Towers. Gusto makita live on national television ang aking itsura. Pag nakita ko siya. Let's go. Some more. Some more. Feeling ko kailangan ng mas malayo para mas ma-appreciate natin siya. Ready? Oh my God, wow. Wow, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Okay, let's find the photo point. Guys, alam nyo ba, Loki, hinahanap ko yung mga kuyang nagpipicture for 10 Malaysian ringgit. Finally, meron ako nahanap na isa. So, lalabas ako doon sa kalsada. Kasi gusto ko may lights. Competitive tayo sa photo. Minsan lang tayo nandito. Bakit tayo magsasettle sa ano? Eme-eme. Tsaka. Guys, look. Yung itsura nila. The famous photo point. Let's go. Ma'am, how much? 5 ringgit. Mandarin, please. Okay, let's go back, guys. So, tignan nyo, ang cutie talaga ng packaging. Bakit hindi ito gayahin sa Pilipinas? Makakatipid siguro tayong lahat, no? Sabi niya, welcome back to my channel. Akala niya siguro makukuha niya yung attention ko para makapagpa-picture ako. Excuse me, tapos na. Nagpa-scam ako. Charot. Hindi, pero actually guys, okay na yung 10 ringgit per photo. I don't really mind kasi nga yung stress. Tapos hinahabol ko yung Jalan Alor. So later on, makapagpahinga tayo and makauwi before 12. So yun lang guys, lakad muna ako. I'll see you at Jalan Alor for dinner. Bye-bye! Ayan guys, so resting lang ako dito sa may bus stop. As in literal nakachill ako dito. Kasi nga sobrang haba ng bridge and tunnel and ayoko ma-drain mga B. Let's go, kabisado nga na yung daan. My gosh, nakaka-happy. Sana pag bumalik ako dito guys, kasama ko na yung family ko. Kasama ko na rin si Dom. Parang nakaka-proud lang kasi na na-survive ko itong mag-isa. And nakaka-excite magkwento na kinaya ko siya. Alone. Ayun na guys, yung famous na Damascus shawarma. So I heard this is very famous in Malaysia. Oh my gosh guys, ang haba ng pila. Ito expected ko naman. So take away na lang tayo.
Okay, one mixed regular shawarma and salsa chicken.
Yes, perfect.
There you go.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
So I'm assuming na sobrang sarap niya kasi nga sikat siya. So meron kasi kami favorite ni Dom sa Pilipinas na shawarma. And it's really good kasi sobrang bonggang-bongga siya sa spices. So malalaman ngayon kung yun bang legit na lasa ng shawarma or eme-eme lang ni Kuya. Malapit na ako sa cashier guys. Pero sobrang haba ng mga waiting. Ayan, waiting lahat yan. My goodness. So take away na lang. Tapos punta rin tayo ng Jalan Alor, take away, and then let's eat sa hotel. Shucks. Sobrang juicy. Wow, sheesh. Guys, now I am headed to Jalan Alor Food Street. And ang take out na lang natin siguro doon is dessert and then drink. Tapos, I'll just take a look of everything na anong meron doon. Kasi ang dami na pala. Ang bigat nitong dala kong food. Nagulat naman ako. So, anyway, let's wait for the stoplight. Okay. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Grabe, tignan nyo gano'ng kadami yung mga tumatawid. Look. Kita niya? Ganyan kadami ang mga tumatawid dito, guys. So, let's go to Jalan Alor. Cute! Ang random naman, sobrang laking bear. Ang cute! Sobrang laking bear. Right. I think this is it, guys. Ito na siya, guys. Restaurant, ice cream, pomegranate juice. There's a lot, actually. Can I try? This jerky. Sarap. 58 ringgit. Ang sarap, guys. Ayan, guys, oh. Sarap siya. So, barbecue bacon, hot spicy black pepper, original, minced chicken. Sobrang daming tao. As in. Sarap na itsura. Okay, so yung tangpulu. I wanna try that. Let's get one later. So many things happening. Sarap po. Bango. Shucks. Mango sticky rice. 1? 15? Thank you. Pumasok ko dito sa may home snack. Ayan, home snack. And tignan natin kung ano yung mga pwede kong bilhin. Cream chocolate durian. 42.90. There you go, guys. Alright, guys. I'm back in the hotel. And medyo maingay lang. Pero paubos na kasing energy ng first one. So, kailangan nating mag-vlog para i-taste test ng mga to. This better be worth it because it's already 12 midnight, guys. Midnight, ha? So, again, I got coconut milkshake. Yung kinakain din natin sa Pilipinas. Pero gusto ko lang malaman kung masarap ang buko nila dito. And this one, guys, ito ko pinaka-excited. We have from Damascus shawarma. The shawarma. Oh, mainit pa siya. Next shawarma siya, guys. So, that's beef plus chicken. And then, this one is yung kanilang biryani or kabsa. I'm not sure, but this one. This one. So, let's open. So, sadly, guys, na-dead bat na talaga yung microphone ko. By the way, this coconut shake, sobrang sarap niya. Pero, normal lang na coconut ng Pilipinas. But everything was so good. And this kabsa, na-overwhelm lang ako sa spices, pero masarap naman siya together with the shawarma, guys. Medyo bland ang timpla nila, pero lasang legit. Alam niyo yun. Sana gets niyo yun. So anyway, natuwa rin ako dito kasi yung sauce niya is Greek yogurt talaga. I'm so impressed kasi sa Pilipinas, peke siya, guys. So, dito pinapakita ko lang na sobrang dami kong leftovers. Well, obviously, kasi ang dami nun. Pero kakainin ko rin ito for breakfast tomorrow kasi meron namang ref and microwave dito sa hostel. So, that ends my vlog. Thank you so much for watching, guys. It was a tiring but productive day. See you tomorrow. Bye!